after some Barracuda this morning, my peeps. Yep. Oh, Bob. Yes, sir.
I will jump over see one.
You see one lie down?
Yeah.
Wait, that is stone. Out there, my people. Good morning. Yeah, man. Yo, sit down now, me girl. Heading out in the middle of the ocean, my peeps. Yes, my peeps, as I say, we're on the way heading out to the location. Yeah, man, we're going after some Barracuda this morning, my peeps. Yeah, man, so I just me, Omar, and Captain Spear. Yes, my peeps. Yeah, man, so we're just taking you guys on a boat ride with us. Yeah, man, so we're going to make you see when we jump, the guys are jump off and take my peep, you know? Yeah, man, so soon reach with peep. Yeah, man. Yes, my peeps, finally we're back at the location where we are going to dive off, my peeps. Yeah, man. Let's see, three of us this morning, Omar, Captain, and me, myself. Yeah, man, back at it with a mad year style again. Yeah, my peeps, so you know we are going to look some food. Yeah, man, we are going to look some fish today. Yeah, man, sunshine bright this morning. Yeah, man, so we are looking forward for ya. Lovely visibility, you know. Man, so we are fishing after some Barracuda this morning, my peeps, and some red belly parrot, you know. Yeah, man, we are looking to find if I want 6 of the parrot them, my peeps. So you know, next time you see we in the water with them, my peeps. Yeah, man, but me say me promise me I'll show you when the guys them a jump off, my peeps, you know. Yeah, man. Yep, thing first I go overboard. Oh man, you ready? Go and go test him, man. Go test him, man. First bar this man in fear, you know. Yeah, man, we are give you the chance, the luck.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I top shooter, you know, so I top diver.
Man, some are preparing glass, you know.
Jump off, you know. Alright.
Overboard. See Turks. What you say?
I will jump over see one.
You see one lie down?
Yeah.
Wait, that is stone. Go, yo, go shot him and come and come show we were going.
Shot him, man.
One big one you see?
In gone.
In gone. You jump off too hard, man.
Too hard, man. If you slide down in the water, you jump off in the water like you're happy.
Yo! Oh, you look out there, clean.
Okay,
They say, visibility good.
Look, man. After you jump off.
Yeah, man, Captain gone. Watch your peeps. So I might turn up, peeps. No, you see me again in the water with there going with the action now, my peeps. Alright.
You want to think on the rope? Put the rope. Fast. Should the rope at the and in a hop.
But Jake, you get your gift. Let me say, you can't go kiss him. Headshot to her. Put him on him anywhere, man. Can I headshot you at about? More headshot. When you tell you more headshot and then go, so you miss. Put him anywhere, man. Oh God, me people. Out of water now, guys. You see we are jump anchor now, so you know we are moving from this off a bank, you know, we are heading. Yeah man, me peeps. Out here with the capo, you know. Believe man. Captain find 2. Nice 12 pound and a little 6 pounder. Big and 4 pound man. We find 4 little small one, nice size. Yeah man. You know, as soon as I reach in, I'm gonna see the catching of my peeps. Because we head back down to the destination and now my peeps, you know. Yeah man, it was a lovely outing. Just summer now. Getting gift this morning, my peeps. Him get a gift, my peeps, and boy in dash rain gift. Yeah man. In dash rain gift, my peeps. Yes, Omar.
Dash way, me just take too long to fire.
Yeah man, my peeps, we are heading, you know. Yeah man, we are heading. Yeah man, see, dive life is better underwater. Yeah man. Catches in my peeps. 4 Barracuda. Yeah man.
Leave that man.
Yeah man. Captain 2 there. Yeah man. Capo 2. Yeah man. Captain 2 there so. Yeah my peeps, plus me find a nice little crab, you know. You know, so the crab they go get curry, you know. Yeah man, although them say bag of fake curry are grown, but them go get curry. Yeah man. Yeah. The boat and the ocean. Yeah. Big up. Hills man. One Hills man. Diver below. One Hills man. You say your own food.
That's right.
Alright, my boss. Up. heading south. Dangerous channel here, you know, my peeps. If you don't know what you're doing, you know what happened next. Especially when you see rough and the tide low. Yeah, man, we finally make it inside the harbour. Yeah, man, we reach to safe grounds, my peeps. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, we reach in the harbour, my peeps. So we go empty the boat, take off engine. Yeah, man. You know, we have to ice up engine and use one stick. And we come out and we dry, you know. Go overboard. Simple as that. Pilotini. What you say, Omar?
Yeah.
It's a slow day, mind that black day. Yeah, man. I want to say thanks Almighty God for bring us out safe and bring us back in safe. You know? Yeah, man, so half our mission has complete, so we have the next section to go deal with her now. She's getting the fish them clean up my peeps. You know? Yeah, man, so we're going to do that so soon see what go on my peeps. Yes, my people! We reach a land now with the catch, you know? Yeah, man, like me say, I find a big crab and 4 barra. Captain will weigh them up. Yeah, man, and Captain catches you know. Captain find 1 10-pounder, 1 4-pounder.
5.4.
So I find a 5-pound one, I was 7 pound, yeah, so 3 pound and a little 5-pounder. I catch at my peeps. Yeah, man, so we are get them clean up in my peeps. Make it quick from the location, you know? Yeah, man, so we are getting in the action and my peeps. Yeah, man, Barracuda, you know, man. We are here.
I didn't want it this morning.
Gosh, man. I'm not going to miss none at all, you know.
No, we don't miss none at all.
Alright, I don't know we missing none at all.
And I miss me, you know. It may take too long for fire. That's a problem, man. I can find out, say, you went me there over him. Off like plane. Yeah.
You see man fire, I see rat. This roof on the barra side, you see mark on the barra head jarboard. Missing.
When you wonder, man, from Montali. One shot, brother. There.
Get thick now, you went thick long time.
I want to name that they give still enough.
I will talk about now. So, where you eat from? Alright? Just have to take out the meat and put it back.
Oh, go on. Wait, you want to go see?
Yeah?
I see you want to go see.
No, I think I'm upset today.
No, sir.
Pass at this morning and I never see people. I'm sure. I'm going to piece and get them.
Barra well cut up and sliced up. Ready for the pot.
Okay, boy, that's what, John.
Oh, I'm diving now.
Big top and he say shut down the man. He say man to me.
We're dropping that to clean out it.
This a knife not good
Is
already.
me? If we're dropping that to clean out it. Then big tap and Barracuda. I'll fuck you up.